So welcome to my portfolio. For time series analysis, this project is mainly focused on stock price analysis on web conferencing market. The reason for this project to choose the web conferencing companies is because during COVID period, people who work at home or study at home mainly choose the online meeting to do the daily work. And also there is a storyline called there is an investor called John who would like to choose a web conferencing company to invest. So as a data science and to better serve the client, Mr. John, who are interested in three companies of Zoom, RingCentral, and WebEx by Cisco, this project would use time series analysis to predict the stock price trend and the user regions, as well as the popularity of trend of these three companies, and do some visualizations. There are also 10 guiding questions. The data sources about this project is mainly from Yahoo.Finance and also Google Trends. For the data visualization part, it mainly uses the software of Tableau and Plotly in Python. We can see there are three different stock price trends, and after comparing these three trends, we can find that maybe Cisco might be the best stock for investor to invest because it always has a increased trend of stock price, and also the history of this company is very long. It's almost up to 30 years. For data exploratory section, so to better serve and help Mr. John deciding the best time point and period to invest, the exploratory data analysis of this project would dig deeply for the components of Cisco's price trend by using the analysis method of ACF, PACF, and also the trend method of differencing process, as well as ADFT test to change the stock time series from non-stationary to statistically stationary. For ARIMA models, so after using Tableau to visualize the dataset, Mr. John found that compared with the short history of Zoom and the downward market trend of RingCentral, Cisco both possess enough price reference history and an overall upward trend, which seems a good sticker to invest. So in the formal exploratory data analysis part, the portfolio then dig deeply for analyzing the most accuracy prediction for investors. This project then mainly use ARIMA, ARMA, and also ARIMA model in R, and also by doing ADF test, choosing the optimal parameters for models and generating the auto model. And then at final, there is a forecast model and a verification of the forecast model to the real performance of the Cisco stock. Also, there is financial time series models in ARCH and GARCH. The process of doing these two models are very similar with the ARIMA models. Firstly, we check the volatility and station of the stock price in ACF and PACF, and also we set the most optimal parameters of GARCH, and then compare the AIC and BIC values of different GARCH models and since AIC and BIC values of the model can be used to assess the model fit while penalizing the number of estimate parameters. So the lower the AIC and BIC value are, the better the model is. And also we generate an equation for the model we choose. At last, the project focused on the deep learning analysis for time series. So 3 different deep learning methods are applied in this section. It's called RNN, LSTM, and also GRU. They were used to help predicting the stock price of Cisco, which is a web conferencing company in the United States. So instead of using the whole dataset from 1990, this project makes predictions about the performance of Cisco stock from 2018 as the start point. We did a lot of predictions of RNN, LSTM, and GRU, and also besides this, we did the L1 regularization and L2 regularizations. And finally, we compare these models with the ARIMA model and found that for ARIMA, the model is fitted with 0, 1, 6 parameters as shown above. Since the range of years used to the prediction is different for deep learning, so visually the RNN model might have a larger difference between the prediction and the test than ARIMA. However, the RNN L1 model works better than a ARIMA model since it can limit the range of future stock price. Besides this, the deep learning model also shows a very strong ability to capture the major drawdowns of the stock price, which can provide better insights to investors. Thank you.